Happy New Year to all our global partners. With the traditional roar of firecrackers, STCM officially resumes production today, and you can feel the vibrant energy across our entire facility. Today, our company leadership is conducting an in-depth inspection of the smart workshops to ensure every machine leaving our factory in 2026 meets the highest standards of excellence. As you can see, our production lines are already at full capacity, powered by industry-leading technology, including our high-precision Swiss brand Bystronic 30,000-watt laser cutters and 30 robotic welding stations. This advanced equipment ensures that every STCM product is manufactured with world-class accuracy and structural integrity. Our core product range, featuring 3 to 25-ton truck cranes, truck-mounted cranes, and aerial work platforms, is engineered for maximum versatility. Whether it is high-speed rail construction, power installation, municipal engineering, or emergency rescue, our machines are built to perform in the most demanding environments. What truly sets us apart is our deep customization capability. We understand that every project is unique, so we offer tailored engineering solutions to meet your specific technical requirements. Backed by strong R&D partnerships with prestigious institutions like Dalian University of Technology and over 80 authorized patents, we turn complex needs into reality. We also work closely with global chassis leaders like Dongfeng, Foton, and Isuzu to provide integrated solutions perfectly adapted to your local market. Today, STCM serves thousands of international businesses and clients across Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Our exponential export growth is a testament to the global trust in our manufacturing strength. As we start this new year, we invite you to grow with us. We are not just a manufacturer, we are your reliable partner in special engineering vehicles. Let's build a more powerful future together in 2026. STCM is ready for you.